So children, here this is talking about ratio of three quantities. The ratio can also be used to compare more than two quantities. Ratio of three children, I'm sorry. The ages of three children are 10, 11, and 13. The ratio of their ages will be 10:11:30. This is a simple example that we have. The main idea here is we can have ratios for more than two quantities. Okay. And when we are comparing, see, even when we are comparing two quantities, we were having them in the same unit, right? So the rule is same here as well. If we are having three quantities as well, so we have to have them in same units. Only then we can compare these three quantities. Okay. That is the idea behind this slide.
Or like if it is tens, hundreds, or thousands, you mean?
What I mean is, for suppose I have rupees 2. I have 2 rupees. I have 5 rupees. And I have 50 paise. Okay. Now, are they all in the same units?
No, sir.
No, right? So these two are in one unit, but this is in paise, right? 50 paise means what? 0.5 rupees? Yes?
Sure.
So the ratio in this case will be 2:5. 0.5. If I have to make this 0.5 as 1, I need to multiply the entire thing with 2. So this becomes 4:10:1. Okay. Now this is okay for me. This is okay for me. But in case you don't want decimals in the ratio, you can put it this way.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So ratio of three quantities can be simplified. When you have to convert the different units in the same units. Okay. Make sure this is done. If some or all the quantities are fractions, multiply them with their LCMs of the denominators of the fractions. If any of the mixed is a mixed number like 3/1/2, change it into an improper fraction first. Change it into an improper fraction first. If the quantities have a common factor, divide all of them by common factor. Children, do not worry about these rules. We'll see as we have some examples to solve. When you see the examples, it's easy for you to understand. Don't worry. This is just for your information that I'm telling all these. And if all the quantities are decimals, and some or all the quantities are decimals, convert all of them to whole numbers by multiplying all of them by a suitable power of 10. So if you see in the previous case, okay. Now in the previous case, if I multiply this entire ratio with 10, this becomes 0.5 into 10 will become 5. This will be 50 and this will be 20. Children, we were talking about unitary method, right? In the previous videos. So cost of two. Find this, children.
Okay, sir. Please give us some time.
Cost of 2 apples is 12. What is the cost of 6
Sir,
apples?
let us do it. We know how to do it.
Yeah, please type the answers in the chat box. So children, put it in a simple way. 2 apples are costing me 12 rupees. So 6 apples will cost me 12 into 6 by 12. I mean 12 into 6 by 2. So 2 ones are, this is 2 threes are. So this is 36.